Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide, is it worth it or not for you? Today I have a July box. All of my July boxes are late except this one. It is literally the only box that I have gotten for the month of July so far. And it is my July glossy box, which has this really cute aloha thing on it. I'm a fan of this box, so I'm keeping it. I think I have a couple other glossy boxes around. That was in the Allure ones. I keep them to store things in because they're small and easy to use. So I'm gonna keep it. Let's get into it. I like the aloha theme. It's really fun. Oh, glossy box is, I want to say it's $25 a month. It might be $21. I can never remember which one it is. And it comes with 5 products. Some are full size, some are deluxe travel size, and so occasionally they throw an extra product in there as a sample. Each month they have a theme. This month is the, clearly, aloha. It's a fun, like, summery theme. And last month was, like, around the world. They had a spring one. It's really cute. I'm really liking these boxes and how they're curated because they're just so cute. And like I said, it's the only one that's on time this month. Literally everything else is late. So let's get into it. We got our little booklet here with it's a red ribbon this time instead of black. All the ribbons are kind of just around my room at the moment so I can play with my cat. Pull that out and I'm just gonna throw it over there. She'll find it. Okay. First thing on top is from Daily Concepts and it is an exfoliating dual texture scrubber. It looks like it is a little, like, scrubby thing. I am totally going to be putting this in the shower to help with my, like, face wash in there. I'm going to pull it out to see what it is. Okay, so, it's got a little handle on the back here. So it's kind of more textured on the side and then it's softer on the back. But, yeah, it's like a little exfoliating puff. That's really fun. I don't know why I smelled it. It's a tool. I don't know anything. Okay, next in here is something from Freeman. It is a Hawaiian black salt peel off deep cleansing mask. Do you love my peel off masks? Definitely gonna try this soon. Hawaiian black salt, that's fun. Oh, it even says on here 3 to 4 uses. That's pretty great. Leave on 10 minutes and pull off. That sounds really nice. Deep cleansing. I like the black sea salt. That's something new that I haven't had before. Cool. Let's keep going. By the way, the crate paper on the inside of this is a kind of a turquoise-ish color to match the outside of the box, which I love. Okay, next thing is Manu Skin. It is a soothing Hawaiian facial oil. It's sandalwood and lavender. This is good for all skin types. I made a funny noise. Ooh, that's strong. The sandalwood is really strong, and the lavender, but it smells really great. So it is a facial oil. It's not completely full in here. I think it's about full to here. So it suggests after cleansing and toning, warm in the palm and hands and massage into skin. I don't use facial oils because my skin is naturally oily. This may be something to try at, like, night where I don't have to worry about producing large amounts of oil, but who knows. I don't know how this fits into the Hawaii theme. I don't understand, but whatever. Yeah, the little puffy thing doesn't really fit their theme. It does say it's me time on the tag. Okay, next thing in here is from Hask, and it's on the floor. I'm going to leave it down there for right now. It is Manoi coconut oil. It moisturizes and revitalizes all hair types. Yeah, so it's a nourishing deep conditioner. I've got 2 packets of it here. There's a lot in these packets. I don't put conditioner on my whole head because my scalp is oily too. So I don't generally stick it on my scalp, but this is good for all hair types. I definitely am cool to, like, conditioning the ends of my hair here because I dye my hair, so some of this will be good for that. Okay, I've got 2 more products in here. This is tiny. Look how tiny this is. This says it's from the Beauty Crop. It is Palm Balm. Lip and cheek balm and color. Oh, it's like a multi-stick. It's in Mauve Wave. Let me see what this looks like. Oh, cute. If it comes out. Ooh, it's made out of glass. It is heavy. There's this little thing here. It's very cute. It's got the label on it. So it is also in plastic for some reason. The box wasn't enough. It needed to also be in plastic. Okay. It is a little color here. That's nice. I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand. See how much color comes out. Okay. It's just like a little wash of color. Not a ton, but that's nice. That'd be a great like tinted lip balm. I guess you could use it on your cheeks as well. I don't use a lot of cream cheap products. I just, not really my thing. Fun thing. This is like, if you remember the KVD eyebrow pomade I got, it's like that, where if I look at it on the side, there's nothing there. You have to tip it to see the color. So the base of it is like heavy glass, but like the product is all underneath of the cap for some reason. But very strange. Okay, last product in here is from PWDER. Cream, oh, it is like entirely in French there. Let's try this again. Northern Lights Smoothing Cream with Siberian Olive. What is a smoothing cream? Okay. This cream, rich in vitamin C and 100% natural salicylic acid, visibly improves the quality of the skin. Result, the skin becomes radiant and smoothed, hydrated, and protected against pollution. Okay, so it's a facial skin. I wasn't entirely sure. It didn't really specify. And my favorite friend, the little metal bit. Okay, let's stick some on the back of my hand here with this lip color and see what it's. It smells like nothing almost. It's got this like very, very light smell. I can't really place it. It says with like olive, but it doesn't smell like an olive to me. Yeah, it's like just the lightest scent, and I can't even tell. It smells kind of like when things have water scent. Kind of smells like that. Like a refreshing, but not like super strong. It's really nice. Made in France. Okay, that would be why it's in French on most of it. Okay, so that's all my products. So this month I have 6 products total, which probably means one of these is a bonus item, but we'll figure out what it is when I open up the box. Or the pamphlet. The box is already open. Okay, and it says Aloha Glossies on the inside today. First thing first is our Manu Professional Skincare, which is the facial oil here. It's a deluxe mini. Not surprising. It is full size, 100 milliliters is $39. And this is 30 milliliters, so it's about a third of that. So, not too bad. I don't know. Like I said, don't buy facial oils, so I have no idea how much they generally cost. But, yeah, that's fun. Our Daily Concepts Exfoliating Dual Texture Scrubber is $12. I guess they put this scrubber in because it's kind of like spa themed this month, but it's Hawaii themed. I don't know. I have a little scrubber now though, so that's fun. The Polar is a deluxe mini, the Northern Lights Smoothing Fluid. Let me read this for you. It says, in the height of summer, no one wants a dull complexion. This natural face fluid is packed with Siberian olive, which is rich in vitamin C, and salicylic acid to give you a radiant skin, tighter pores, and more refined skin. It says it's a good base for warm weather. So it just says it's a fluid. I feel like they could have done a better job with their wording. Just saying. It's a weird choice of words. But this is a deluxe mini as well. Manufacturer, it's a deluxe size worth $22 itself. The full size is 50 milliliters worth $46. So this is just a little under half. The next one is from Hask. It is our 2 coconut oil conditioners. So full size is 12 ounces. These are each 1.75 ounces. Full size is only $5.99, so that's pretty good. So these aren't worth very much, but I still think I'm going to get multiple uses out of each of these packets. I just don't know how I'm going to keep them because they're not like sealable. The mask is like sealable, but this one is not whatsoever. So it just says to leave it on your hair for 5 to 10 minutes before like washing it out. So that's fun. I'm happy with that. Okay, full size of our little cheek and lip color. It is $21 full size from the Beauty Crop. It's very cute. I definitely like it. It says butter lip and cheek balm on the bottom of it, which is fun. But yeah, it's a nice little color, nice little mauve color. Super fun there. And our last one is actually that mask, the peel off mask. It's an extra treat. Freeman is not a super expensive brand. You can get them at like anywhere. Like I'm pretty sure, I don't even know, probably Ulta, Sephora. You can probably get these at like a drugstore, a regular drugstore. Because a full size of this is 6 ounces and it is $4.29. This is 1.18 fluid ounces. So it's like a sixth of that, and this is 3 to 4 uses. So imagine a bigger bottle is going to be even more uses. That's pretty great. So, but this is just the extra little treat in there. Okay, so let me total up everything that I can so far. Let me do some quick math on one of these too. Okay, so after I kind of added up a few of the things. I have a hard time with GlossyBox sometimes when they don't tell me exactly how much everything is. It's like a lure. It's really hard. But I added up our like full-size products as well as some of the other ones. And I got $68, not including like the hair mask I didn't add in. I didn't add in our little extra treat here. I just added in the facial oil. I figured out how much that was. The little puffer here. This, the hand cream that or the smoothing fluid that I threw on the floor. Yeah, I added that in there, as well as our little Beauty Crop thing here. And yeah, so I got 68 with those, which is a pretty good deal. I like this GlossyBox because I end up trying stuff that I never would have tried before, or brands that I'd never even heard of that I end up really liking. So you know what? I'm happy with it overall. And like I said, when they curate things, they curate them really well. And I love their themes. They do such a good job on those. So I'm going to keep getting it just for the cute theming alone. In sample size products are great because then I can actually use them up and determine like if I like them or not, and I can let you guys know if I like them, or like occasionally a full-size product. Like something like this is great. I wouldn't have bought it myself, but I'm happy to have it. And the little lip balm is cute too. I like that it's a cheek color, and I might try it just on its own, like without any other makeup, just to see how that works. So yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy. GlossyBox hasn't let me down yet. So, and like I said, it's winning right now for being the only July box that I have. As a note, I am recording this on July 17th. So that tells you how great July is going for my boxes so far. I've got a couple of June boxes to do soon. Not because they were late, because I didn't want to. I'm still in school, and this online learning thing is kind of it's coming and going. And then I had emergency surgery a few days ago. No worries, I'm fine. I spent like 14 hours in the hospital. It's all good. I'm left with 1 organ less, but it's all good. And so yeah, it's fun. I like these. We'll see. All my July ones are going to be late though because I don't have any of them. But thank you guys so much for watching. While you're here, if you could like my video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video, even if they're all a month or 2 late. That's just how 2020 is going. Thank you so much, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day. Bye!